Relax and take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply. Inhale and exhale. Now see there's a blackboard in front of you और इस blackboard पे numbers लिखे हैं in a circle. The number 100 is written and you need to erase the number without touching the circle. You know what you need to do? Just do it carefully. Number 100 erased. 99, 98, 96. Hurry up and rub the number without touching the circle. 95, 94, 93. With each number, you are just going deeper and deeper into your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind is now highly receptive. 92, 91, 90, 89. You are deeply relaxed and focused on your subconscious right now. Now, whatever I say becomes your reality instantly. Take a deep breath and step into the version of yourself who is already the top actress in Bollywood. See the stardom, the fame, the success in front of you. You are sitting in a movie theater and your movie is premiering for the first time. You are on the big screen. Your face is glowing, you are very attractive, and the audience are cheering your name. They are calling Nikita, 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 and you're feeling so good about it. See yourself, visualize you are walking into the grand Yashraj Film Studio. Everyone greets you with respect, admiration, and excitement. You are meeting Aditya Chopra and you have signed the contract of the movie. The directors, producers, and crew members whisper your name with pride. Listen them saying she is the face of Bollywood, the queen of the box office. You feel the soft glow of camera lights on your face. The air is filled with the fragrance of success. Your name is on every poster, every screen, every magazine. Inside you know this is exactly where I belong. You were born to be a star. You are a superstar. This is your reality. This is where you belong. You belong to this glamorous world. You belong to this fame. This celebrity life is yours. The movie you worked on with the Yashraj Films has become the biggest blockbuster in Bollywood history. It's all over the social media that you are a superstar now. Nikita Yadav is a big name. Every theater is houseful. People clap, cry, cheer, and whistle when you appear on screen. You have won the hearts of the people. You have millions of fans now. News channels, social media, and critics declare she is the new superstar of Indian cinema. You are the new superstar of Indian cinema. You are the new face of Yashraj Films. Her performance is unforgettable, magical, once in a lifetime. Your performance was really unforgettable. And this feeling is also unforgettable. You are feeling this success right now inside you. You see your face on giant billboards across Mumbai, Dubai, New York, London. You are very good looking, very attractive. Now visualize the Academy Awards stage. You are on the stage. The hall is filled with Hollywood and Bollywood legends. Smile inside your heart because you have won the Oscar for Best Actress. The presenter opens the envelope and announces, and the Oscar for Best Actress goes to Nikita Yadav. Wow, feel this moment right now inside you. And the Oscar for Best Actress goes to Nikita Yadav, the one and only Nikita Yadav. You know you were born to be a star and to win this Oscar. This was your dream, and now it's in front of you. Feel this, feel this success, feel this gratitude inside you. The entire audience rises in a standing ovation. You are looking so beautiful, and people are cheering for you. Shah Rukh Khan, Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Salman Khan, Deepika Padukone, all are clapping with tears of pride in their eyes. Everyone is so proud of you because you have won Oscar for India. Even the biggest Hollywood stars admire you. You are so famous. You walk gracefully onto the stage, the golden Oscar in your hand. Come on, you need to believe this is your reality. You are walking onto the stage and the Oscar is in your hand. The spotlight shines only on you. You give your heartfelt speech. This award is not just mine, it's a dream come true. This Oscar goes to Yashraj Films, my incredible fans, the whole India, my parents, my teachers, and all my relatives, and everyone who has touched my life in any way. This award belongs to Yashraj Films, and I'm really grateful to the universe for making me who I am today, the top actress of Bollywood. Your voice echoes across the world. Millions are watching. You are now a global icon. Just like Shah Rukh Khan is called the king of Bollywood, you are known as the queen of Bollywood. Top actors line up to work with you. Every superstar, Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, Ranbir Kapoor, calls you their favorite. They are working with you, and the movies are becoming the blockbuster hits. They are breaking all the records. It's all because of you. Like Rajnikant, people are now praying you. You have gained all the stardom like him, as he was a double three and you are a double six. You were meant to be here. You were born to be here. Director says if she acts, the movie is a guaranteed blockbuster. Fans scream your name everywhere. You cannot step outside without people gathering, chanting Nikita, Nikita, and Nikita. The love is overwhelming and you smile inside your heart, feeling grateful. Feel this gratitude inside you. This is your reality. You have the tears of pride and joy in your eyes. You are feeling very emotional right now because your dreams have come true. Every time you do this visualization, you live this life. You live in a grand luxury home in Mumbai with the best cars parked outside. Whatever you wanted for yourself has already happened. Your calendar is filled with international shoots, red carpet events, and award functions. Your wardrobe is designed by the world's top fashion designers. The magazines call you the face of beauty, talent, and grace. Every day you wake up and thank the universe. I'm the top actress of Bollywood. I'm loved, admired, and celebrated across the world. My art touches millions of hearts. I'm living my dream life now. I was born to be a star, and this is my reality. It has to be my reality because of my birth date also. Now take a deep breath and say silently in your heart. Say this with top conviction because you believe in yourself. I am the top actress of Bollywood. I work with the greatest directors and production houses. My movies are global blockbusters. I have won the Oscar and the world celebrates me. I live with fame, abundance, love, and respect. My stardom is eternal and real. Feel this reality as if it's already here. Smile because it's already done. This is your life now. This is your future. Now, see yourself in your college auditorium. You are on the stage and all the teachers in front of you. Look at Rashmi ma'am's face, Nilima ma'am, Sanjay sir, and all the teachers. They are cheering for you and they are giving you standing ovation. All the students are cheering for you. You are feeling very overwhelmed and joyous right now. You are feeling so happy. Feel this happiness. This was your dream and it is now in front of you. You always wanted this in your life and it's your reality. See the standing ovation of the students and even the principal and the dean and everyone is cheering for you. Feel the gratitude. Say thank you to the universe for this wonderful day you have in front of you. Feel the blessing you have. You are a blessed soul. Say thank you to the universe. Every time you do this visualization, you live this life, you are rewiring your subconscious mind to become the top actress in Bollywood. And I'm really proud of you. Now, slowly wiggle your hands and toes, come back to consciousness, and open your eyes. Live this reality now. Feel it inside you. Thanks and all the best.